This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, it's Will. Welcome to the channel. This year is going extremely fast. Now is the 1st of February, and as I promised a month ago, I'm going to give you the report of all of those bots that I'm using. With all of them, we have full control of our capital. That's the most exciting part of all this experiment. We can monitor all that is happening inside our accounts. The risk here is completely different. It all depends on the strategy that you are using. Yesterday, I watched one of the videos from Jeremy Rush. He's the CEO of Jonny Blockchain. He was making a comparison between Jonny Blockchain and some other similar bots in the market. It was a very informative video, but that one was more into the cost that is involved to run these systems. I've been trying different bots for over a year now. I want to share my experience during this time. I like to try this type of automations before I bring it to the channel. I want to make sure that it's secure. I want to make sure that it's profitable. Sometimes I have subscribers telling me, hey Will, I'm making 20%, 30%, 40% a month with this bot. After I go to give it a try, then those are not the results at all. That's why I want to take my time to use those systems, learn how it works, and if that can bring some value to the community, of course I'm going to present it here. It all starts a year ago when I found a trading course. Apparently it was one of the easiest and fastest way to generate profits doing crypto trading. I paid almost $2,000 for that course. It wasn't bad. I learned a lot. Most of the concepts that I have right now are coming from that course. But the whole thing was based in this robot called BitsGap. Super solid automation. It has a bunch of tools that we can use for trading. The strategy that I was following, it's supposed to give me a 1% daily. I put there 7,000 USDT. With BitsGap, we need to pay a subscription. I was paying $110 per month. But after 4 months, I decided to stop. I know it's an incredible tool, but it wasn't easy at all. You need to keep monitoring this 24/7. And in the end, I can't even afford to pay the monthly subscription. So at that time, BitsGap was out of the list. Then I found CoinToYou. Same concept. We have full control of our capital. I got started with 2,000 USDT. I managed to grow my account until 3,500. But one day, boom, the whole thing collapses. My account was liquidated. I got only like 300 left there. There was a big dump in the market. That's why we got liquidated. After that, they tried to come back with new features, new strategies, adding a new stop loss system. I saw it more like an experiment, so I don't want to keep running there. So at that point, CoinToYou was out of the list. Right after that dump in the market, I found Anbot. One of the reasons I started to use Anbot is because during that big dump last year, Anbot didn't liquidate any account. I went to check the site, the app. I really liked the system, so I decided to give it a try. I put there a couple of thousands. I was running one of the strategies. I was getting a 10%, 15% a month. Then the big surprise was the last November. I got a 25% in 1 month. That was really good compared to the previous results. During December, it went back to 15%. I thought probably it's because of the season. Then in January, they released a new strategy. I was making some videos about all of this, but suddenly the bot stops for 17 days straight. No trades, no open positions, no profits. I tried to contact support, but it's very difficult to get in touch with these guys. I went to the Zoom calls. The chat was also closed. Some of my team members were having the same problem, and we have no answers. I had 7,000 there. I didn't lose any money, but it was just sitting there in my account, producing nothing. For that reason, a week ago, I stopped my bots. I'd rather to put that capital somewhere else where it's going to produce daily profits. If they open a new channel to communicate with them, if we have some answers, well, probably I will give it a try. For now, Anbot is out of the list. During December, I started 4 different bots. There was EasyBot. Well, EasyBot is not new. They've been running for a couple of years now. The first time I found EasyBot was a year ago when I was inside BitsGap. With the strategy that I was following, apparently giving me a 1% daily. I thought the returns inside EasyBot were super low. That's why I don't even want to try it. Then during November, December, there was a hype about EasyBot. A couple of channels start to cover this. I thought, okay, why not? Let's give it a try. Let's put a couple of thousands here. I gotta be honest with you guys. EasyBot is just for, let's call it active holding. If you have a huge capital and you don't want to leave it just there in your wallet, probably you can use EasyBot to generate some interest. It's a long-term opportunity. Here, to have some substantial returns every single month, you need to have a huge capital. If you want to try it with $500, $1,000, I don't think it's the best choice for you. The subscription is not that cheap. If you want to use it with Binance, the minimum cost of the Binance bot is $600. To me, it's a good opportunity to use that capital that you have sitting there in your wallet doing nothing. You can put it here to produce some dividends. That's how I'm going to use it. The site is solid. They have experience. We can see who is behind. They have super easy to follow videos. The returns are very conservative, and probably because they are playing with coins that are not having much fluctuation. That's another way to play super safe, right? So for me, I'm keeping EasyBot because I'm going to use it for active holding. All right. Then there was another bot. One of my subscribers told me about this automation called Apollo. I put there 500. I've been running this for a month. It's not that user friendly if you're a newbie. They have an open community. There are no records of liquidation, but still the returns here are very low. The person who told me about this one, it says, no, Will, you can have 20%, 30%, 40% a month. If you increase your position inside the bot, probably you can reach that. But in my opinion, if I'm going to have low returns, I'd rather to leave it inside EasyBot. To me, this site looks more professional. They have years of experience. Apollo bot looks like it's just a messy website. I don't feel that confident here. I'm not going to drop 10,000 there if the strategy is very average. I'd rather to put it in something more solid like EasyBot. So for that reason, Apollo bot is out of the list. Here is another one that I don't recommend at all, guys. And probably their community don't gonna like this, but I'm talking about my experience. I was very excited about this one. It's called Anbot. The phone app looks solid. It works through an API connection. You can connect to different exchanges. I've been using it for a month now. I put 500 there just to give it a try, but the experience so far is not that good. I keep losing constantly. I keep paying fees. I go to the community. They have an open community in Telegram, but it's like it's nobody there. They don't want to answer to your questions. Or they answer to whoever they want to answer. I tried to contact the admins directly, but looks like they don't speak English. I think they are from China. I don't know. It's not worth it. So for that reason, Anbot is out of my list. Now, guess what? Who's the last one? Jonny Blockchain. The reason why I'm so bullish is because they are filling all the boxes. This is the first decentralized trading bot that we can use with PancakeSwap or Uniswap. We can go that way using our MetaMask wallet. You can connect to your Binance account through an API connection. They have a very profitable strategy. This is not going to liquidate my account just like I experienced with the other bots. Now, comparing this to the other bots that I mentioned already, the subscription is super affordable. We only pay 25 USDT for 1 year, and the best of all is that we can use as many bots as we want. With the other bots, your subscription is going to increase according to the number of bots that you want to use. This is, in my opinion, extremely easy to use compared to the other bots. They have simple, short videos to get started. The developers are working actively in the system. They are adding a couple of new features. That's very important with these type of opportunities. You need developers that are always monitoring the system. Also, the CEO, Jeremy Rush, this guy is a rock star. He's always answering all the questions. He's always open to any suggestions. If you have any ideas that can help the community, he's always going to consider that. I really like that approach. For all of those reasons, Jonny Blockchain is sitting in the top of my list. If you want to see my results, if you want to see how to get started, I'm going to put a video right here in the top corner. All you need to know, you're going to find it there. And if you need some help along the way, you can get in touch with me. I'll be happy to help you. The link to my Telegram group, you will find it in the description of this video. Well, that's all that I want to share with you today. If you found some value here, I will appreciate your likes. I will appreciate your comments. If you have any suggestions, just let me know and I'll give it a try. We are always in the search of brand new passive income opportunities, and if you have something that can bring value to the community, please let me know. Before we go, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. That will really help me to put this information out there, and I can come back here and show you my progress and my earnings inside these bots. Thank you so much for sticking here until the end. I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Bye.